This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Infinix XWatch 3, the latest smartwatch from the company Infinix. And we have here also the latest smartwatch from iTel, the iTel Smartwatch or the iTel Storm Ultra Smartwatch, also known as the O23 Smartwatch. On this video, we are going to compare the design, the specs, as well as the offered features. So which is better when it comes to features as well as design and specs? If you want to know about this comparison, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, let's begin and compare the Infinix XWatch 3 with the iTel Storm Ultra. So this is the packaging. As you can see here, do have some details. So both do have a rectangular body frame, sporty looking, and at the back we do have the specifications. So let's compare. So 5.1 or 2.01 inch, 2.02 inch for the Storm Ultra, IPS LCD, TFT here, 320 by 390 pixel resolution, 320 by 390 pixel resolution for the Storm Ultra, while for the Infinix XWatch 3, 240 by 296. So when it comes to the screen display, the Storm Ultra do have a much better specs. For the battery, as you can see here, 300 mAh for the Storm Ultra, while for the Infinix XWatch 3 we have 270 mAh only. Both do have an IP68 waterproof rating. And what else do we have here? Metal body frame, and we do have an IP68 waterproof rating. We have a Bluetooth connectivity. We don't have the details here. We do have it here, Bluetooth 5.3. I think it's just the same if I remember it correctly. Okay, stay connected. Both do have a Bluetooth feature, Bluetooth call, sports monitoring, and preloaded watch faces. So for the packaging here, I like the packaging of the Infinix XWatch 3. It is much better, more premium looking. Okay, so we are done with the packaging and specs. Let's proceed with the smartwatches. Okay, so let's put it side by side. Both do have the metal frame. As you can see here, for our Storm Ultra, there's a physical button similar to the Watch Ultra clone. Both do have a rotary function. This is for the menu only, but for the watch face, okay, it's not functioning. For the Storm Ultra, you can use the ground button here for the watch face as well as the menus. Okay, we have a side button for the sports function. We don't have a side button here for the sports. At the back, I like the look here of the Infinix. Both do have a pogo pin, magnetic charging. Okay, we have a speaker here. Both do have a quick release pin for its flexible silicone strap. Okay, let's see. For the weight, which is better, let's see. Which is more lightweight. $40.26 for the Infinix XWatch 3. For our Storm Ultra, $58.95. So 20 grams heavier compared to our Infinix XWatch 3. For the thickness, it's around 11.0 for the Infinix, while for the Storm Ultra, it is 10.5. Okay, so much thicker, I think, for our Infinix XWatch 3. Okay, again, for the design, let's have a closer look. Both do have a sporty looking design, black color, which has a much better design. The Infinix XWatch 3 or the Storm Ultra. Drop a comment below. Okay, so next, let's explore the menus and features of the Infinix XWatch 3 versus the Storm Ultra smartwatch. Okay, for the UI, so we have here the settings and other options for the smartwatch. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. On the right side, we have the split screen, the same. On the left side rather, we do have the split screen. On the right side, we have the components or the widgets. Okay, so different layout here or different design. Can add and remove components or widgets. For the menus and features, just press the power button, and we have here the comparison of the menus and features. So we also have here the activity tracking. We also have it here, as you can see. But I like the design here. We have the Bluetooth call with the dial, frequent contacts, and call history. We also have it here. Okay. We have the voice assistant. Do we have a voice assistant here? Okay, let's check. I don't see any voice assistant. Okay, we do have it here. We have activity tracking, workout. Let's check out the sports. Okay, we have the exercises here. Both do have a comprehensive list of sports functions. Okay. Then blood oxygen monitoring, sleep monitoring. We have a blood pressure here, and we don't have it here on the Storm Ultra. We have relaxation, music control also, we have it here. Let's look for the music control function. Okay, yes, we have it here. Player. Okay, going back. Timer, alarm. I think they have the same features here. Okay, except that the Infinix here do have a calendar, while here we don't have it here on the Storm Ultra. But we have games here, or game. We have games here. Okay, we don't have it here. So it's missing the calendar for the Storm Ultra. For the settings, menu style, vibration and ring, battery mode, language support. We have a drain here, we don't have it here. Okay, system, restart, power off and reset, restart, reset, shutdown, and system info. We have a password also. Phone, QR code, low power mode. We have it here, power, battery saving, and display. Brightness, sleep monitoring, raise to wake, and menu view. Again, for the main menu, so here are the details. They almost have the same feature. Just missing some blood pressure as well as a calendar here on the Storm Ultra, for the iTel Storm Ultra. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of the menus and features of, as well as the design of the Infinix XWatch 3 compared with our Smartwatch Storm Ultra. So which do you think is much better? Drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe. Bye!